My punching power was so vicious that the second time around, I wouldn't even throw those kind of punches anymore.
He was the strong opponent I fought.
I was in the ring, you really saw the best of me. Outside the ring, I was really some terrible fella. I met Sonny Liston, he became my role model.
I was an intimidator until I fought Sonny Liston. I've seen him stare guys down where they...
He had to be the most angry fella I'd met. He'd look right through you, scare you.
They were so scared climbing up the ring steps they could barely get in the ring.
I wanted to kill Ken Norton. Why?
And everyone knew that I had beaten the best in Joe Frazier. People had something to say about that. I said, you know what? I'm gonna kill one of these fellows. Then they'll know that I'm the best.